بمناسبة شكرا القلب اللي قلتي فيها عندها بلوك، هي عايزة تعرف سبب الألم الغريب اللي عندها في المنطقة دي.
It's because of the letdown and اللي هو بالعربي الخذلان. She doesn't trust people anymore. They hurt her a lot. That's why she feels this pain. She feels like she trusted people for nothing. They didn't deserve to be trusted.
زي مين يعني؟
Mostly parents and her husband.
Parent والhusband?
Yeah.
Why her husband doesn't deserve trust?
Maybe because her mom never trusted her dad. And when she was little, she trusted her parents, but they let her down. They took her away from her mother, then they brought her back. And she can't trust to be in a safe place. She never trusted that she was the only one who her parents loved. The first day of when she went to school, when she was 6 years old, her dad took her to the school. He showed her the way and told her, I will come back and take you at the end of the day after you finish school. And then when everyone got out, she was 6 years old. She stood in front of the school door with so many students coming out, and she didn't see her dad, so she cried a lot. I think that was the first time she was feeling let down.
كل مشاعر الخذلان دي اتجمعت عندها في منطقة القلب.
Yeah.
بس هل ده بيخدمها بيفيدها؟
Of course not. She needs to release and heal.